Hello dear students, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to this video. We are continuing exercise 3.2, how to predict the graph of pair of linear equations with two variables, when they will be intersecting, when they will be parallel, and when they will be coincident. So the graphs of pair of linear equations of the type a1x plus b1y plus c1 is 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is 0, they may be intersecting at a point, they may be parallel, or they may be coincident. We can predict the nature of the graph of pair of linear equations on comparing the ratios of A1, A2, B1, B2 and C1, C2 when they are given in form A1x plus B1y plus C1 is equal to 0 and A2x plus B2y plus C2 is equal to 0. That means A1, B1, A1, A2 are the coefficients of x, B1, B2 are coefficients of y, and C1, C2 are constant. How the graph of pair of linear equations a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is 0 are intersecting at one point if ratio of a1 a2 is not equal to b1 b2. The pair of linear equations have unique solution. We say they have unique solution, means one solution which we can find out. Similarly, the graph of pair of linear equations a1x plus b1y plus c1 is 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0 are parallel if ratio of a1 to a2 is equal to b1 to b2 but not equal to c1 to c2. At that time, we say the pair of linear equations have no solution. We cannot find the solution. Third condition is the graph of pair of linear equations a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0 are coincident. That means the one graph goes over another graph if the ratio of A1 to A2 is equal to B1 to B2 is equal to C1 to C2. The pair of linear equations have infinite many solutions. There are many solutions, there are many value of x and y, we satisfy the solution. If a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0 have unique solution or many solution, then the solution is called consistent. Similarly, if a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is 0 have no solution if the solution is called inconsistent. When we are getting parallel lines, we say no solution or we say solution is inconsistent. So now let us go for questions given in the book. Question number 2. On comparing the ratio A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2, now find out whether the lines representing the following pair of linear equations intersect at a point, parallel, or coincident. So if we'll see part 1, 5x minus 4y plus 8 is 0. 7x plus 6y plus 9 minus 9 is 0. Then what is a1? a1 is equal to 5. b1 is equal to minus 4. Don't ignore the negative sign, it will be included. c1 is equal to 8. a2 is equal to 7. b2 is equal to 6 and c2 is equal to minus 9. Then a1 by a2 is equal to 5 by 7. b1 by b2 is equal to minus 4 by 6. Of course, you will simplify this. Minus 2 by 3 and c1 by c2 is equal to 8 by minus 9. So if you will find that a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. One is positive, one is negative. So they are not equal. Then no need of going for c1, c2. From this, we will conclude that the lines are intersecting at a point. Next is coming to part 2. Here also in the same way you will go. a1 is equal to 9, b1 is equal to 3, c1 is equal to 12, a2 is equal to 18, b2 is equal to 6, c2 is equal to 24. We have to find whether it will be intersecting a point, parallel or coincident. So a1 by a2 is equal to 9 by 18, that is 1 by 2. A b1 by b2 is equal to 3 by 6, again 1 by 2. And c1 by c2 is equal to 12 by 24. This if we cancel, it will be 1 by 2. So all are equal to each other. So a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. All are equal to half. So whose condition is this? This is your coincident lines. So the lines are coincident. Coming to part 3. Same question, find whether the intersecting at a point parallel or coincident. So equations are 6x minus 3y plus 10 is 0, 2x minus y plus 9 is 0. So a1 is equal to 6, b1 is equal to minus 3, c1 is equal to 10. a2 is equal to 2, b2 is equal to minus 1, c2 is equal to 9. So a1 to a2 is equal to 6 by 2, that will be 3. b1 b2 is equal to minus 3 by minus 1, that is also 3. And c1 is v2 is equal to 10 by 9. So that is not equal to 3. Then what is the conclusion? a1 upon a2 is same as b1 upon b2, both are equal to 3, but c1 c2 is not equal ratio. So whose condition is this? This is your for your parallel lines. That means a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. So we get parallel lines or no solution. Then question number 3, on comparing the ratio, again a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2, whether the following pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. For consistent, what is the things? Consistent means it is either your unique solution or many solution. And for inconsistent, it is only no solution. No solution. So in the same way you will proceed. Here a1 is 3, B1 is 2, C1 is equal to minus 5. A2 is equal to 2, B2 is equal to minus 3, C2 is equal to minus 7. Now A1 by A2 is equal to 3 by 2. B1 by B2 is equal to minus 2 by 3. So they are not equal, so no need of going for C1, C2. When A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, no need of going for C1, C2. So here it is unique solution. When it is unique solution, that means it is consistent. Part 2. Same question. A1 is equal to 2, B1 is equal to minus 3, C1 is equal to 8, minus 8. A2 is equal to 4, C2 is equal to minus 6, C2 is equal to, this is B2, C2 is equal to 9, minus 9 of course. So A1 by A2 is equal to 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. And B1 by B2 is equal to minus 3 by minus 6, that is again 1 by 2. So these two are equal. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2. Both are equal to half and half. But C1 by C2 is equal to 8 by 9, which is not equal. So A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, but not equal to C1 by C2. So what is the conclusion? It gives you infinite many solution. So in infinite many solution, it is again consistent. So pair of equations are the pair of linear equations are consistent. Now third part. It is 3 by 2x plus 5 by 3y is equal to 7, or minus 7 is 0. Second is 9x minus 10y minus 14 is 0. So A1 is equal to 3 by 2, B1 is equal to 5 by 3, C1 is equal to 7 minus 7. A2 is equal to 9, B2 is equal to minus 10, C2 is equal to minus 14. So A1 upon A2 is equal to 3 by 2 upon 9. So this is equal to, it will be 3 by 2. Sorry, very sorry. It is not 3 by 2. It will be your 1 by 2 into 9. So this will be 1 by 6. Next is A2 B1 by B2. It will be 5 by 3 upon minus 10. This will be 5 by 3 into minus 10. That will be 2 minus 1 by 6. So are they equal? A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Then no need of going for your C1, C2. So this gives you unique solution. Unique solution means you'll write that the pair of linear equations are consistent. Part 4. A1 is 5, B1 is minus 3. C1 is minus 11. A2 is minus 10. B2 is 6. C2 is 22. Then A1 by A2 is equal to 5 upon minus 10. It will be minus 1 by 2. B1 upon B2 is equal to minus 3 by minus 6. Again minus half. So they are equal. Now coming to C1 by C2, it will be minus 11 by 22. Again this will be minus half. So all are equal to each other. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. So when three are equal, we say many solution. Many solution, infinite many solution or many solution. So the pair of linear equations are consistent because there is solution. Now question of 4. Which of the following pair linear equation are consistent or inconsistent? If consistent, obtain the substitution graphically. So x plus y is equal to 5 and 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. So a1 by a2 is equal to 1 by 2. b1 by b2 is equal to again 1 by 2. c1 by c2 is equal to minus 5 by minus 10. So 1 by 2. So all are equal to each other. So a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So what is our conclusion? It is consistent. Now second one. Second one is a1 by a2 is equal to 1 by 3. Coefficient of x is 1. Coefficient of x is 3. b1 by b2 is equal to coefficient of y is minus 1. And here it is minus 3. So again it is 1 by 3. And c1 by c2 is equal to minus 8 by minus 16, or it is 8 by 16. This will be half. So a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. So here no solution. When no solution, we'll write the solution is inconsistent. Inconsistent. So for second, the pair of linear equations are inconsistent. And you know how to draw the graph. I have discussed in the last video. You can watch it. You can draw the graph. Next is third part. So what is A1? A1 is 2. What is B1? B1 is 1. What is C1? C1 is minus 6. A2 is 4. B2 is equal to minus 2. C2 is equal to minus 4. So A1 by A2 is equal to 2 by 4. That will be half. And B1 by B2 is equal to 1 by minus 2. It will be minus half. So certainly they are not equal. So A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. So when they are not equal, we say consistent because it is a unique solution. So you have to write the whole statement. This pair, the linear equations are consistent. So similarly for third part, A1 is equal to 2, B1 is equal to minus 2, C1 is equal to minus 2, A2 is equal to 4, B2 is equal to minus 4, C2 is equal to minus 5. So A1 by A2 is equal to 1 by 2. B1 by B2 is again 1 by 2. But C1 by C2 is equal to 2 by 5. So we are getting A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, not equal to C1 by C2. So this is for inconsistent. Inconsistent. So first is consistent because we are getting your unique solution. We got here unique solution. And for second we got here no solution. Fourth one is no solution. So it is inconsistent. And you can draw the graph. So thank you for watching. Keep on watching so you can learn more. Have a good time ahead. See you again in the next video.